Hello guys, I'm Kanak and you're watching Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you how to make amazing vegetable cutlets. It's very quick, easy and yummy appetizer you can make. Heat some oil in a wok. Now add cumin seeds to it. Once the cumin seed starts crackling, now add chopped onions. We don't have to make it very dark brown, just stir it for a while. It should just become transparent little. And now add ginger garlic paste to it. Now add green chillies and fry it for another 1 minute. Once you see that onion have become little pink now you can add all the vegetables in it. I have used carrots, beans, corns and peas. Carrots and beans are finely chopped, but for corns and peas I have churned them into a grinder for a second or so. We can make these cutlets by directly putting all the vegetables and masalas and everything into the potatoes and then make cutlets out of it. That is the normal way of making it. But today we are doing pan frying all the vegetables, as this will take all the excess moisture out of it and will help in binding and making our cutlets more crispy. We don't have to overcook the vegetables. Now add salt and all the dry masalas. Give it a toss so that all the masala is properly incorporated with the vegetables. Now add mashed potatoes to it. Once you put the potatoes, just mix it well with all the vegetables. Now add chopped almonds in it. If you want, you can use any other dry fruit. You can use cashews, you can use mixed dry fruit, and if you want, you can skip it also. Now add soaked poha to it. This will help in making and binding the cutlets properly and making more crispy. This is my secret ingredient in it. You can switch off the flame at this point of time. Now the last step, just add coriander to it and mash the mixture well and just remove it from the flame. Now mash all the mixture with the help of masher to make a smooth dough out of it. Now let the mixture get cool enough so that we can make cutlets out of it. Pour all the mixture into a plate and make a bed out of it. And just pat it with your fingers, with your palm nicely to make it a smooth dough. Now once you have pat the dough on the plate, just with the help of a normal glass, whichever glass you have, or with the help of any cookie cutter of any shape you have, it can be heart shape or whichever shape you have, just cut the dough into small tikki like cutlets. And this will help in making the same size also, and it will look very good and uniform. If you want to make burgers, you can make a bigger patties out of it. Now all my patties are ready. Now it's a time to coat them. Put some water in the all-purpose flour and mix it well, so that no lumps are formed. You can do it with the help of your hand also. Make a fine smooth paste like one thread like consistency. Now this procedure has to be really very fast. Just take the patty, dip it in the flour mix and immediately put it in the breadcrumbs mix. Patty, flour mix and again breadcrumbs mix. First heat oil in a wok, and when you're putting the patties, just make sure that the oil is hot enough to put the patties, otherwise it will start breaking. Now slowly drop the patties one by one and just put them into batches. Don't put too many at a time. It will take almost 2 to 3 minutes on either side. Now it's a time to flip it over and see. Now it has started turning golden brown. See, that's the color we want. Flip it over and again keep it for another 2 minutes. Now it has become perfectly golden brown on both the sides. Now it's a time to remove it. Just remove the excess oil and just place them on a kitchen towel so that it absorbs the excess oil. My lovely and gorgeous vegetable cutlets are ready to eat and serve now. Now isn't it worth trying? Do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Also hit the like button and do subscribe to Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes. It's me Kanak saying bye bye.